Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this drone that it has a camera and it's really cool. Let me show it to you. It includes this box and in here you have everything or mostly everything. Let's see what we have in this box. Yes, this is the remote control that you can use. And in this box you can also find a clip and some tools so you can put it together, the battery, an extra battery, and extra screws in case that you are missing some of the ones that are included already. So this is everything that it's included. Now let's open this little box and see what's inside. Here on the top part is what it will be flying, the drone itself, and the bottom part it's like a little box that includes another battery, and it will also be used to charge the batteries. Here is the other battery, so let's just put it here on the drone. And now let's download the app, which is Syma Fly, and now you will be selecting the drone, the right drone, and start the app. Okay, so now let's set up the drone. You just pull this up, and also it includes some of these parts here, like additional parts in case that you miss anything or that you want to replace one of that is damaged or something. It will include those as well. Okay, so now this is the charger. Like I was telling you, you will be able to charge both batteries at the same time. And these screws are to replace these parts right here. In case that something is damaged, you will be having these extra parts. And now here in the bottom part, there is the cable so you can charge actually the batteries. And also it has these little parts that it will help the drone to have a little bit more stability, and you will be pushing them right here, and this is how you will be installing them. Once that are all there, we will proceed to check out the remote control. Now the remote control needs 4 batteries that are not included, and these will be double A batteries. And now you will be putting these together and you will turn it on from here. There it is. And now it includes this clip that this will help you to have your phone here, to set up your phone here. I will show you how you can use it right now. So you will do it like this, pull it and set up your phone like that. And you can actually use a remote control or your phone as a control as well. So this is how it looks when it's turned on. And now let's do the pairing of the app to the drone. So you have to go to settings and select the Wi-Fi that includes on the drone. In your manual, it will display the Wi-Fi that you need to select in order to start working. And then make the pairing as well, and here you will have this screen. Now this is the camera. You can see that what the drone is watching. Here it is. Okay, so now also the controls can be used from both, like I was saying, from the remote or your phone. Now let's test it outside. Okay, so here is turned on, the pairing is set up. Now let's just put it on the floor and start flying it. This is just a quick test because it is not a place where I can test that very well or very high, but as you can see, it's super fast. And here's another shot of how it flies. It's actually pretty steady. Our dog was very impressed. Now let's test it outside, like in a bigger place. where it's actually permitted to use the drone. And here it is. Let's see how high it flies. Wow, it's super high and it flies really well. I am surprised. I am really amazed by it. It's almost at the height of the tree. Super cool, huh? I really, really recommend this drone that I got sent out for review, and it's amazing. It can be a very nice Christmas gift.